Alright guys, here I am getting the tires mounted and put on. Actually the tires are mounted in balance. Here's a look at the suspension while the vehicle's in the air. And then also going to be trying to run these spider tracks 1 1/4 inch spacers. So I'll be tossing these on and we'll see if they clear. Okay, here I am back at the house. Went and drove the 4Runner around a little bit. And in here, you can see exactly where it's been rubbing. Up here, doesn't rub driving around and just going forward, but when you're backing up, definitely pushes the wheel up far enough where it starts pulling on the bumper. So, come to the other side, it's pretty much the same thing. Drove it around, figured it wasn't bad enough to rip anything apart. So here you can see it's actually touching the mud flap. We're gonna have to do up here is gonna have to trim this bumper up a little more. This is actually what they did from the factory to fit the TRD wheels. And then probably take the heat gun to the fender liner some more. Try and push that in. And it's not hard to remove these mud flaps if you just wanted to remove them completely. It's 3 bolts and 2 plastic clips. I'm gonna go ahead and get to removing that. Alright, here's the driver's side. What I did was heat up that fender liner real good. I just pushed it in and held it there till it cooled down, and you can see it used to be flush. I haven't trimmed the bumper yet, but it used to be flush right here. Now I've got probably 1/4 inch to 1/2 inch of clearance from the fender liner, so that shouldn't be an issue now. I'll just go ahead and trim this some more and hopefully we can call it good. the truck with the springs and the new tires, and I found out reversing and certain driveways and stuff, it still would rub the front bumper, so it took some more trimming and shaving to get that to completely clear. Seems like it's good now. The mud flaps did have to come off. They were rubbing here and there, but you can definitely tell with the Eibach springs the ride is stiffer, but in a good way. The nosedive is less, and then driving around town you feel a little less body roll. With the alignment and everything, it drives straight, doesn't need any the upper control arms. Gone down a few dirt roads, it rides smooth at speeds, and overall I like how it feels so far. So we'll see how it goes long term.